Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into TikTok and learn how to enable the super cool dark mode on your Android device. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed. Open the app and let's get going. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Scroll down and find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, look for the Display option. Tap on it. You'll see options for light, dark, and possibly match device. To enable dark mode, simply tap on Dark. And there you have it. Your TikTok is now in dark mode. It's great for your eyes, especially in low light conditions. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who love TikTok. Thanks for watching.